you had to choose one university to go to, which one would it be? Harvard in most cases, because of the kind of reputation it has and the kind of alumni it has given the world. But that is on the verge of changing forever. Because of who? Donald Trump. Well, Trump administration has now banned the Harvard University from enrolling foreign students. That means thousands of students studying in Harvard University are now clueless about what the future holds for them. Well, according to official data, around 788 students of Indian origin are studying in the Harvard University in the current year. And on an average, from 500 to 800 students enroll every year in the Harvard University. But all of this might stop, and the world's best university might not be able to enroll foreign students for now, at least. Remember, Harvard is what it is today because of the kind of alumni it has given to the world. From Barack Obama to Anand Mahindra to Ratan Tata, all of these are people that have come out into the world and made a change. But Donald Trump's administration is now on to Harvard and wants the university to stop enrolling foreign students. But the question is, why is Donald Trump doing this? Well, Donald Trump's administration has accused the Harvard University that it provides a safe space for people who support Hamas. Since Donald Trump came to power this time, he has done multiple such things that are affecting Harvard University's image. Firstly, he stopped universities' funding, and now he wants students, international students, to be out from the university. The big question now is, what is going to happen to the thousands of students who are studying in the university currently? Well, according to experts, the students who are to finish their degrees this semester might be able to do, but the others may have to shift to other universities, and that is going to be a serious problem. This incident is a stark example of what the governments are willing to do if provided with unlimited powers. But since Harvard University has refused to bow down to Donald Trump's demands, the future of thousands of those studying in the university remains unclear.